Donut chart. Basically, donut chart is also like a pie chart with hollow center. Often, when we were making a pie chart is totally filled. But in case of donut chart is empty from its center, and it is often used to similar purpose with space for a central label. And when to use it? We use pie chart, but want to add total or KPI in the center. It is more modern and less cluttered for proportions. So pie chart is the oldest version, and you can say that donut chart is the upgraded version of the pie chart. So the labeling option for details, you can add a slice for categories, for values on slices, or in legend, for legends external, for clarity, and inner circle, custom text or measures. So in our later videos, when we were originally or practically making the donut chart, we will see that how to label these chart. But in our this session, as I mentioned earlier many times, that we will be only seeing that when and why to make any certain chart. So we are not going any detail here. So this is a donut chart. You can see here we have made a two donut chart, and you can see that it is empty from its center like the pie chart, and it has also slices like the pie chart, and it is showing the data in terms of percentages. So this is how you can make a donut chart, and this is how you can represent the donut chart.